Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got done finished unboxing this parcel from AJ. Very nice padlocks. This one came without a key. It's actually, I realised it was a different keyway. It's not standard WB. Oh, it's just a slightly different wording. You can probably tell by looking at those. I thought I might give this one a quick little pick. Oh, bugger. Okay, 50 thousandths top of the keyway. Let me see. Okay, I'll go counterclockwise for this. Ah, got it open. Shackle didn't pull it out there. Right, so see that's picked. Yep. Very nice. I'll keep it in this condition too. They have more character that way. But I just want to say thank you again to AJ for kindly sending these nice padlocks, mate. Yeah, definitely a keeper for sure. Yeah, I'll have to get something out to you soon. I still owe Thumper a parcel and a couple of others. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and yeah, cheers.